Hi guys, today we are making necklaces and we have some beads with the letters on them and some hearts. What else do we have, Jason? Over
Cars.
Here. They're transportation beads. Cars, boats, planes.
Yep, I'm gonna dump it.
Let's dump it right here. Will you dump it there?
Yep.
And then we also used string, scissors to cut the string, and I had to use tape to put around these. Okay, so first, before we work on these, we're going to find your name. So we have N-I-C-H, N-I-C-H, O, L. Okay, here's an L. A. S. Is that how you spell your name?
No.
N-I-C-H-O-L-A-S. And then we'll put two hearts.
I got this.
Where's your string, Nicholas? What are you looking for? An S? How do you spell your name, Jason?
C-A-S.
O.
O.
N is right here.
And Mommy did it.
Okay, so we're going to put those on. Well, Mommy's got another name to make.
Does that?
What are you doing, Nicholas?
Not me.
Not you?
No. That's a name. It's a name.
Okay, so I have a name here because one of Jason's friends is having a birthday, so we are making him a necklace as well. All right, Jason has already got his name on his string. You gonna put your hearts on there as well?
I want two hearts.
Okay, so we're gonna start with yours. We're gonna start with the heart.
Yeah. I got the heart on one side. Ooh. Now I got to get the heart on the other side.
Okay, hold on, Nicholas.
Hey,
you have to put your name.
No, one more heart.
Well, we're going to put it on the other side. Here, put your eye right here. Put your eye on that side.
I don't have an eye. No, I got the feeling.
Put your eye on there.
Boat on it.
Whoa, a yellow boat?
And a yellow train. And a red airplane. Mommy!
Oh, not all the way. You're doing a great job. What comes next? N-I-C.
8.
Put your C on there. Uh-oh.
I don't know how to spell his name.
I've got his.
I don't have idea. Why?
You're gonna knock him off.
I always say it wrong.
Leave it here. N-I-C-H. Here, do the H.
Hey,
do your H first.
One more. Honey. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got one. Then I will blow my own on. No, right?
Nope. You gotta finish your name.
This side.
You getting it? You got your H?
Yeah, 2 on this side. Well, I guess.
Now, what comes next? O.
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 I got this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 1, 2, 3. Now I got to get the last to make 4.
Which ones do you think you like? You think you like
There we go.
O. Now do your L.
Mommy,
You got a long name.
Mommy, I need to know. Mommy, I got say is 1. The A is 2. The S is 3. The O is 4. And the N is 5. Mommy.
Good job.
Nickel got so many.
Hold on. Do your A first. A, and then your S. Okay, so we're going to do...
A number will underline it.
We'll do yellow.
Mommy, I need some more to make it longer.
Okay, now that is beautiful. Now you can put your heart.
Mommy, can I have some letters on it? That one?
Baby, you don't... Just do your name.
My name already.
We'll do another one where you can put any letters you want. Are you done with
I'm not done. Then I had more. Yep. Then I had airplane.
Yep, get as many as you want.
I want them, baby.
Well,
and
you
then.
fix it how you want. Let's see,
I got to make some
airplane on this side.
I want airplane. Then I will put. I got say A. S-O-N. I got say. I did what? I did A-S-O-N. I can't do it right. That's not the right way.
Blue boat.
Do you want an airplane, Mommy?
On an airplane, here's a yellow one.
I want the yellow airplane.
Oh, Bubba done got it. Here, do you want a boat or a car, Nicholas?
I want only a yellow airplane. Why am I? Airplane.
Jason, I think you have enough beads on yours. Let's see how it looks around your neck.
Looks around my neck.
Yep.
I need some more. Last one.
Well, I don't have any more airplanes.
Put
2 more, 1 on each side.
2 more on each side. 2 green. I like green.
Did you?
Okay, let's see. Let me get greens.
Jason, save some for everybody else, son.
Yellow.
Because remember, Bubba's making one too, and so is Mommy. Red. Train. Nope. I guess we'll have to do a red boat.
I got one.
Alright, you ready for me to put it on you?
It's not ready.
Look, if you put any more beads,
Mommy, I don't want any more. I want no more.
You don't want any more beads?
Yeah. I don't want for beads. Mommy.
Ta-da! See, look, if you put any more beads, they won't fit.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Last.
Here, turn them.
Mommy, now I can watch my tablet. No, I don't do a tablet.
All right, what do you think about your necklaces?
Baba tablet. A bunch of numbers.
Bunch of numbers?
Yes, on the other one.
I keep having to pause the video because the kids keep wanting to run off. But anyways, I think we are done with all of our necklaces. Jason has his on, and it's looking beautiful. And look at Nicholas. Show me your necklace.
Another one.
And then I have this one for the boy's friend.
It tickles. I'm going to take pictures.
You want to take pictures?
On my tablet.
Alrighty, well, y'all have a great day and stay happy and healthy. Bye.